This is an excavator.
I am an excavator. I dig big holes and help in construction.
This is a bulldozer.
I am a bulldozer. I clear the ground and make it flat.
This is a dump truck.
I am a dump truck. I carry heavy materials from one place to another.
This is a forklift.
I lift and move heavy loads safely.
This is a cement mixer.
I mix cement to build strong houses.
This is a trencher.
I dig trenches for pipes and cables.
This is a backhoe loader.
I can do two jobs, digging and lifting. See? Digging and lifting, all in one.
This is a truck crane.
I am a crane. I lift heavy things to great heights.
This is an motor grader.
I make the road smooth and even.
This is a road roller.
I am a road roller. I make roads flat and strong.
Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.